Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We want to find the thermoconductivity of the wall. They give us all the variables. They give us the area 9 by 5 meters. The wall thickness, so that's the length, is 0.3 meters. The heat is 2.5 kilowatts. And the surface temperature is 16 degrees Celsius, and the outer surface is 6 degrees Celsius. The answer is D, 1.7 watts per meter per degrees Celsius. We can skip free body diagram, there is none. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. Step 3, find the K formula. So using the heat transfer formula, we're going to rearrange and make K the subject. Step 4, plug and play. So they give us everything, so we just need to plug it into our graphic calculator and check the answer. So the thermoconductivity is 1.667. So we're going to round that to one decimal place to 1.7 watts per meter per degree Celsius. As you can see, so the option is here. Disclaimers, the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.